In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Java Edition with mods. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase what I believe is the most convenient way to play with your friends on Java Edition while doing a mod pack or playing with only some mods or even just a single one. This option is the most convenient because all that you have to do is download one additional mod and there's no need to set up a server or go through complicated steps. All that you have to do is download the Essential mod. This mod is going to add social functionalities to Minecraft Java Edition. So if you have ever played Bedrock, you know that you can just add your friends using their gamertag and then host a server that way. This mod does essentially that. So what you have to do is look for Essential mod. You can look for it on CurseForge, so if you are using CurseForge to play your mods, just look for it here. Or if you prefer, you can open up a web browser and also look for the Essential mod. In there, you can visit their website and download it from here. It doesn't matter, just choose one option. Now, if you go through CurseForge, you will see the install option, and you can choose to install it to a specific profile, so you can find a mod pack here. If it says incompatible, don't worry, all that you have to do is create a custom test. So just create a random profile here, for example test. Once this profile is loaded, which I'm going to cancel because I'm only using it as a quick example, go over to add content, look for Essential mod and download it here. Once you download the Essential mod jar file into this mod pack, click on the three dots, go to open folder, and this will bring you to the folder where you can find the mod pack that you've just made. On this mod pack, go inside of the mods folder and copy the Essential jar file. Now go over to any other mod pack, go into the mods folder of that other mod pack and paste the Essential jar file here. Just make sure that the versions match, so that's the most important part. Now run your mod pack with the Essential mod installed, and when you open you should see these options at the right. So essentially it is just like Bedrock. So you can go ahead, go to social, and choose the option to add a friend. Add your friends by using their standard Minecraft username, so this is not a custom gamertag, it is just the display name that they have on their account. Now one of you can go ahead and host a world, so I'm going to host this world here, and you will have to invite your friends. Sadly, I don't have anyone to invite at the moment, but if you did, they would appear when you choose the invite option. You select them here and send out the invites. It is simple to do and everyone will be able to join you to play together. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.